We are now going to learn to triangulate and obtain our digital surface model using 3D objects. We will start with our Quarry Survey file by going to the MDT Surfaces Create Surface command. Let us create a new surface with the same name as our sketch file, Quarry Survey, using 3D cartography, and accept. We now insert the points we have created using features, selecting the objects of our 3D sketch on a break line, such as the highway, the inner roads, and the accidental properties of the terrain, both head and foot slopes. We accept, and then select the contours, either through a series of features or the layers. If we do not know the name of each layer, they can be named graphically. We will assign a distance of 2 meters between vertices. First of all, we deactivate the Remove Flat Triangles option so we can see the faults above all in this area with no incline. We accept, and then review the window or contour line in order to activate the work limits that interest us, in addition to the maximum length of the triangle. We once again insert the vertices from the 3D break lines, as in this case, they do not lie on topographic points, as well as activating Discretize Line Arcs. We leave Completely on View by default and accept. Once we have obtained this surface, we are going to review some commands we have seen previously, such as MDT, Surfaces, Delete Lines. We then delete the triangle areas outside our contour. We conclude by right-clicking and accepting. Now, for example, after saving, we can calculate the contour of our area, which will help us in other exercises. MDT, Break Lines, Find Boundary. We are also going to look at other MDT, Surfaces, Information commands, whereby, based on the surface and features provided, we can see we have no other vertices with 0 height. We then go to MDT, Surfaces, Identify Heights, and click anywhere on the surface in order to place the X, Y, Z coordinates calculated by MDT on the command line as a means of helping us check the result of the quality of the work. Executing MDT, Surfaces, Utilities, Export Surface will provide us with a series of new formats in version 7.5 to convert or export this surface as 3D Studio, including OBJ or Land XML for other applications such as Leica. The MDT, Surfaces, Utilities, Represent As commands also enable us to change the form of viewing, such as 3D face or solids, and to change the color and appearance of our triangles. We can also record our surface in order to update it and fill in holes using the new feature of this version, or review our information again using this surface.